Happy July, everyone. Joe Salazar here with Remax Delta, here to give you another market update in Ottawa to let you know what's going on in property values for the month of June. Without further ado, let's get started. So the big homes, these are the homes with 4 bedrooms upstairs, 2-car garage. I'm going to go back 3 months. I'm going to show you April, May, and June. So April, the average sale price for a 4-bedroom home, 2-car garage was $1,094,000. The average list price was $1,008,000. So that means that some of them are still selling above asking price. Not all of them. 8 days on was at April. Let's go to May. So May, these same homes, the average list price was $1,013,000. Average sale price was $1,060,000. 10 days on the market. Now, let's go to June. June, average list price is $1,048,000. Average sale price $1,045,000. Now, look at the numbers in blue. Let's look at the blue markings. March, April, May, June. Look at the averages. Average sale price $1,041,000. Then it went up to $1,094,000, down to $1,060,000 in May, and down to $1,045,000 in June. So there's a noticeable trend here from April to June. And that's common because the biggest months for buyers is March, April, and May. June, July, and August, it's normal. Every year we see a little bit of a dip and the market just slows down. Now, it doesn't mean there's a dip in prices. There's a dip in buyers. Not as many buyers in June, July, and August. The market will usually go back up in September and October, and then November and December, it'll start to slow down for buyers, not necessarily for values. But because the values are so inflated because of COVID, these values are now coming down. Let's look at the next segment of homes. 3 bedrooms, 1-car garage. So the small single homes. April, average sale price is $825,000. May, the average sale price is $833,000. Let's look at June. June, average sale price is $772,000. 12 days on the market, so the days on the market is getting longer. This is for average. Let's look at the number of homes. So let's go back here. Let's look at 86 homes sold in April. May, 71. 88. So quite a few homes, single homes sold, but look at the prices. I'm guessing because there's more sales in June because now the prices are coming down. Buyers are saying, hey, I can afford that now. So let's look at March. So March, 841, 825, 833. So it'll bump up from April, but look at the price now. June, average sale price is now $772. More and more buyers are jumping the bandwagon now. Townhomes, 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1-car garage. Townhomes, whether it's an end unit or a middle unit, it's all the same category. Average sale price in April, $710. $672 in May. $653 in June. A lot of these owners have these townhomes on the market and they're asking, they want prices from March. Unfortunately, you're not going to get those prices anymore. A lot of sellers are saying, well, hey, I need to sell now. If you're going to do it, doing it sooner rather than later, because if you're looking at waiting till August, September, this number is going to be even less. Look at the averages, 738, 710, 672 in May, 653 in June. So you see where this is going. Let's look at condos. Condos, 478 was the average sale price for any style condo in April. 478 in May. May the numbers were unchanged, not by much. So let's look at June, 441. So here are the numbers again down here in blue. 482, 478, 478, and now 441. That's a big jump from May to June. 15 days on the market as opposed to 10 days on the market. They're staying longer on the market now. Look at the averages. So the average list price was $432, the average sale price. So some of these, the average are still selling above asking price, but not by much. Let's look at bungalows. These are bungalows with 1 level only, whether it's a 1-car or a 0-car or 2-car garage. In April, at $855 was the average sale price. May, $899. average sale price. June, 778. So let's look at the number of bungalows sold. 97 in April, 104 in May, 100 in June. Again, let's look at the numbers here in red. March averages were 893, 855, 899, a bump up from April, and then 778. And this is the numbers of sold, so 100 to 104. That's not much difference. That's the same number of bungalows sold, but look at the prices now. 778 is the average sale price now for a bungalow. Now, the other thing people say, well, Joe, what's the interest rates doing? Interest rates are affecting their values, yes, to a degree. So here's the Bank of Canada interest rates increases. So in March, they increased the rate by 0.5%. In April, they increased it by 1%. June 1st, they increased it by 1.5%. Now, if you look here, this chart, they're looking at a forecast of another 2% in July 13. There's a forecast of 2%. And then if you look here, September, there's another forecast of 2.5%. As you can see, the interest rates are going high. They want to curb the inflation. They want to correct it by increasing these rates to cool down the market. So pay attention to that as well. A lot of buyers, I'm getting a lot of buyers in, hey Joe, interest rates are going up. I want to buy now because I don't want to lock into these interest rates going to be at 2 or 2.5% higher in a month or so. So I'm seeing a lot of buyers now that the prices haven't gone down a bit, and buyers want to jump that home buying bandwagon. If you have any questions and want to get a copy of this report or want to know the values of your home in your area, let me know. I'd be happy to do that for you. Take care. Bye for now.